Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. £35 a year road tax, that's why we sell lots of these. 2015 plate Volvo XC60 2 litre D4 R-Design Lux Nav Euro 6 start stop tow bar, 13-pin electrics, 9995. Lovely service history, very nice car, £35 a year road tax. What a lot of car for that. As you can see, daytime running lights built in the fog lamps, LED, front headlamp washers. Great two-tone alloy wheels, graphite and silver diamond cut, rear privacy glass, aluminium roof rails, rear spoiler, tow bar, 13-pin electrics. Very nice. Aluminium roof rails. Looks like new some lamps on the back. Not stone chipped. Inside, super clean. I think we've got some mats for this at work. They're just having a little vacuum off. Leather seats are lined, so those really comfy sports seats. Perforated leather, white stitching, white piping, really nice. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise control in leather, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, electric memory driver's seat. In the back, again, very, very, very clean. Nice. Power tailgate, load covers in there. Really clean in the boot as well. Nice twin exhaust pipes, 2 litre D4, Euro 6 start stop. There you go, load cover. So this will go in and out the city without charges. Look at that, spotless. Press the button, power tailgate will close. Real nice condition, this car. Body works lovely, interior's really clean, not worn. Nice. Yeah, £9,995, perfect. Folding mirrors, electric mirrors, heated mirrors, electric memory driver's seat. Leather on the driver's seat is in great condition. Can't say how comfy these seats are. Down there you've got a petrol flap release, a boot release, R-Design leather steering wheel, as I say, cruise control. It's got satellite navigation, it's got DAB radio, it's got Bluetooth, it's got heated seats, rear park sensors, privacy glass and a tow bar. What a nice car, £9,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. There'll be plenty of XC60s on there normally. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.